How to download all photos from Messenger at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download all photos from Messenger at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Facebook. And after you open up your Facebook, head over to the bottom right corner on your menu section. Tap on menu. And after you do that, tap on your settings icon on the top right corner. Now, you will need to head over to your Meta Accounts Center. Tap on it. And from here, scroll down until you find your account settings section. And here you will see your information and permissions. Head over there. And after you're here, you will see an option where you can access your information, download your information, transfer a copy of information, and search history. So what we'll do here is we'll actually download our information. So tap on download, and from here tap on scheduled, or you can tap on current activity. If you've already asked for a download, you can simply find it here. Now tap on download or transfer information, and from here select your Facebook. Tap on next, and here tap on specific type of information. Tap on it. And after you tap on that, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to select your messages, and from here you can simply tap on see more. You can from here select your pictures and stuff like that, your reels, whatever you'd like. So selecting your messages will ultimately allow you to download everything that's in the messages. So tap on see more. You can browse through here. You can select what you want, what you don't want, and after you've done that, you can tap on next. Then tap on download to device and then create file. Now you can also choose the date range and make sure that you choose the correct date range. You can choose all time as well, and then tap on save and then tap on create file. What this will do is, depending on the size of your information, it will take some time, but after you get your transfer or download ready, it will be available right here under scheduled. So head back here after after they have prepared your data, and then come here and download it. And that's basically how you download all of your photos from Messenger all at once. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.